In this video, I'm going to show you how to get bumper car in GTA 5. As you can see, this is the bumper car. This is the mod. So it basically allows you to drive a bumper car on the street in GTA 5. It's a very nice and cool mod. So this, like, if you look at this, it does have some animation to it. Like, he is basically sitting in the middle, and the the steering wheel doesn't seem to have any animation, but he does, like, with his hand have animation. So let's start with installing the mod. First, I'm just gonna show you how he gets out and gets in. So let's get inside. To get inside, I guess I'm gonna have to just respawn the mod. So I'm just gonna open F8, and there you go. This is how I get in. So let's just start installing the mod. First, you need to open a Chrome browser. Then you need to type in menu mod. Then select this one and download it. After you download this one, go ahead and type in script hook v and download this one. And now you can leave. Now you can open your downloads folder. So this is my downloads. I downloaded 2 folders, and you need to open your GTA 5 folder. So go here, manage and installations. This is your GTA 5 folder. So what you're gonna do here is go to script hook v bin and copy this one, and this one, and just paste them all over here. Now you can leave and go to menu, copy this one, and paste them here inside of your GTA 5 folder. Now you can just leave this and this one, and make sure you turn on launch options, and you have dash no battle eye over here. Now you can launch the game. So inside the game, to activate the mod, press on F8 and go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and go down, and you're gonna see bumper car. Click F8 again to quit the menu, and there you go. Now you have a bumper car. It's a very nice vehicle to ride, and it's a very fast one too. So if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, and would like to see more mods as well, just leave me like a comment in the comments section below, and also make sure to leave a like and subscribe.